everyone. I am Arvind from grade 7 of Salman Senior Secondary School, Trichy. Today I have chosen the topic What's New in Kitchen Technology and done this cleaning robot which is useful for everyone. You may ask a question, for whom you did it? I did this project for senior citizens and specially challenged people so that they can clean their kitchen as well as the other parts of their homes very easily. Now let's see the advantages of the cleaning robot. The advantages are it is a DIY project so that everyone can learn how this robot is done and can get the thought why we can develop this on our own selves, and it can clean all the stuff on its front so that every area of our house will be cleaned. Now let's see the demo and working of this robot. Here we are having the robot and each motor of the robot uses two batteries as a power source. Here these two brushes act as the cleaning agent and clean all the stuff on front of it. Now here we are having the controller. These two switches are the main controls. If we click these two forward, the robot moves forward. If we click backwards, the robot moves backwards. If I click oppositely the switches, the robot either moves to its left or to its right. Now let's see how this robot cleans all the waste products of our kitchen and other homes. Now let's see. Now we can see that the floor is so clean, which proves that this robot works so good. Thanks for watching.